What's up guys, welcome to the channel. I am Stevie, the service technician for... No wait, that's a different channel. I'm not a service technician. However, today, as Big Steve says on his channel, the Advanblack and Sick Baggers channel, I've got some amazing Advanblack stuff for the bike. So, let's see what's inside. These two boxes. Let's use the cookery. Ooh, what is in here? What is inside? Box number one, let's go. And as always, make sure you put your super sharp cookery knife back in the sheath. Right, let's see what we've got in here. Oh, what is this? Look at that packaging. I like the bag. I do like the bag. Let's see. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh, legendary. Legendary. Oh, look at that. Ooh, that. Wow. Is the backrest for the tour pack. Oh, that is unreal, man. I love the look of that. Ooh. Awesome. Awesome. Let's see what's in box number two. Oh, box number two. Oh, what have we got? That doesn't take the brains of an archbishop to figure out what's in that. But hey, let's open it up. We'll find out anyway. Oh, boys and girls, troops, look at this. Oh, hang on. It's a bit tight in the middle. There we go. Look at that. That is one fantastic looking seat. This is, of course, the Cobra seat, the Cobra gel seat by Advanblack, and along with the Cobra backrest for your King Tour Pack. Look at that, man. That looks phenomenal. Let me just bring it over. So check that out, man. How good does that look? And look at this sort of, I love this red. It's like almost like a plastic sort of strip, if you will, but it's got like a crazy red incandescent look to it. But as you can see there, look at the honeycomb sort of stitching on the side. Really awesome, man. It's got the hole in there for obviously your backrest and what have you. But check it out, man. Phenomenal. Anyway, let's get this on the Scout Glide and we'll see what else was in the box. Okay, so what else come in the box then? As you can see here, there's a little plastic bag, and inside there are two screws and what looks to be a mountain bracket. So we'll take the stock seat off the Scout Glide, off the 21 Street Glide, and we'll stick the Cobra seat on, and we'll find out exactly if we need these. And inside there as well is, of course, an Advanblack sticker. Let's go! Okay, so as you can see on the back, right there, there's a bracket, or two holes for the bracket to sit into, all right? So you need to put that on there like so, and then just put the two screws in that come with it and attach it down, and we go from there, like that. If you can see that. You can see it now, so like that. Anyway, let's go and do that somewhere safe where I'm not going to scratch the seat. Okay, once you're happy, it's lined up with the back of that, where you either your screw or your bolt wants to go. Stick your bolt in, man. And there we go. Now, you could either put your original strap back on, I would suggest so, or not, depending on how you like it, man. But there you go, look at that. Oh, that looks great. So there you go, that's it fitted on. All I need to do now is put the backrest on the King Tour Pack, and then we're going to hit the road and see what it's like, and and I'll show you some pictures and views on the outside world of the Advanblack Cobra seat. Yo, so the backrest is on the King Tourpack, the Cobra, the Advanblack Cobra backrest. Check this out. Right, next step, let's hit the road. We're gonna go check out how comfortable the seat is, but that looks phenomenal, man, it really does. Let's go! So what's going on, guys? As you can see outside now, I am outside, and what a wonderful view. Look at that right there. That is the Rocky Mountains of Alberta. But anyway, the seat. So since I fitted it, as you guys saw previously, I have probably racked up about, a big ass noisy truck drives past, I've probably racked up about 250 miles on this so far. And I'm impressed, man. I am really impressed. Now, like I said, I probably knocked up about 250 miles on this thing now, and it is awesome, man. And in so many ways, I mean, it's awesome because it looks amazing, and it looks really, really awesome and really cool. And it's very comfortable, actually, considering what I have noticed as well. It's maybe knocked me up height-wise, probably about maybe 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch, probably because it's new and it obviously needs bedding in. But that's what I've noticed so far. And I've also noticed that the weight distribution around the back of the seat there is pretty good. It gives you a decent bit of backrest. I don't have the backrest in, obviously, but it does give you, as you can see, the lip. It really does give you a decent bit of support at the back, the lower back there. And as you can see on the back of the bike now, we have got as well the Tourpack, the seat, the back rest, the one that stretches round the side for the Tourpack. Again, I'm really impressed with this, man. It is really well made, actually. The stitching's really good, and I do like this sort of pearlescent sort of strip that runs down there. And then obviously on in the middle there, it's like sort of a different type of material, which it makes it look pretty cool, actually. So just going to run over a few details of the product, obviously, as per Advanblack. So it's custom colour stitching on honeycomb, as you can see right there. The curved shape cradles the back, and the integrated side wings fit naturally the arms for added support. So it's talking about the backrest there. Obviously, it's really cool, man. It's really sturdy and it's really well made. And these fit, and it's easily installation. So it says these backrest features the easy to install isolation mounts to reduce the contact between the pad and the Tourpack, which it does. Now, if you at the beginning of the video, you would have seen me fitting this, and it does have the adjustable, just like the stock seat does, underneath there, so you can adjust it and make sure you can fit it wherever you want it to be. So it says that the backrest will fit the 14 later touring models and tri-guide models equipped with the King Tourpack. So there you go. So that is obviously the King Tourpack backrest. So the stitching can come in 4 colours, all right? Blue, red, black, and a sort of orange colour. And these retail for around about $329 US. All right, that is obviously before shipping, etc. So there you go. So that is it. That is the backrest. And now we'll talk about the actual seat then itself. All right, the one that's going to be getting the most use, unless you're obviously have a passenger on constantly, is obviously the replacement seat for your stock standard Harley-Davidson seat. This one is, it's obviously it's custom colour stitching and honeycomb. Again, high density foam provides slow recovery after compression. So you don't want it to be like it says there, slow recovery. So you don't want to sit on it and it's as soon as you get off, it's like straight away back up to where it was. You want it to provide that little sort of bit of flexibility and comfortness. Comfortness, is that even a word? I don't even know, man. Might not be a word. But anyway, it does have the Advanblack Gel Lab seat core, and it increases comfort, heat distribution, and body weight distribution is what it says right there. So it says our Advanblack Gel Lab core will help reduce the road impacts and the bike vibration to minimise rider fatigue on the road on long trips, which is what we want realistically, isn't it? Let's be honest. And the seat is constructed with machined plastic base plate underneath. So there you go, guys. That is first impressions. Obviously, you know, I'm going to cover a hell of a lot of miles this year, so first impressions on the seat and the backrest for the tour pack is they're very well made. They really are, and they look amazing. They look fantastic, and obviously, you know, the 4 different colour stitching that they come in is really cool as well. I mean, this one, the actual seat itself retails at $429, okay, US dollars, and again before shipping. So there you go. I'm really impressed. I am. Like I said, it probably knocks me up about maybe ½ inch to ¾ of an inch for now. Obviously, over the time, it'll get bedded in, and then, you know, it'll lower me down. So I would imagine. But yeah, there you go. So that is busy road, man. Jeez Louise. So that is the Advanblack Cobra seat with honeycomb stitching and the gel technology. I am impressed. What I will do, as always, I will leave the link down below so you guys can go check out the actual seat itself and the backrest for your King Tour Pack. All right, guys. So it'll take you straight to the Advanblack store so you guys can go check it out. It is awesome. It is fantastic, and I cannot wait to get some more miles on this seat because it's really comfortable. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you did like the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, like that says right down there right now, please think about subscribing. It does help the channel grow, and if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video, please click that bell icon and it will notify you every time I make a video. Anyway, I'm going to hit the road because I want to go and see some more of the beautiful Rocky Mountains here in Alberta. Take it easy, ride safe wherever you are around the world, and remember, you'll never walk alone.